sometimes it takes time to come up with a drugs and to smoke it.
Bata pa yan,
Like sometimes this person will like look for.
Basta yung mga billing ko sa'yo, go straight na. Kung pwede iwasan mo yan, iwasan mo na. Kasi lalo ka lang talagang malululong dyan. Pero nasa sayo naman yun. Kasi buhay mo yan, di ba? Pero ang para sa akin lang naman, bilang isang kapatid o kaibigan.
Yeah, that's true.
Di ba? Kung kaya mong iwasan, iwasan mo. Nakita ko po mga kababayan ko si Bernard yata to. Tingnan natin kung kumain na siya. How are you?
I'm okay. I'm just fixing my bag and I just dropped my change.
Change?
You're secure. Oh, hi, Kuya. Oh, I didn't recognize you.
Remember me, huh?
Yeah. I'm just fixing my bag and I just woke up a couple hours ago.
Ano yan?
Babes.
Babe? Oh, sorry.
I found it in the garbage bin, so I'm trying to sell them too. Yeah.
Kamusta buhay?
Okay naman, Kuya. Here, Kuya.
Kumain ka na ba?
No.
Gusto mo pizza?
Sure. Kuya, you want some
Beef?
beef?
Anong beef yan? Gumagana ba to?
They're probably like $20 each.
Okay.
Yeah.
So binta mo na lang dyan. Gusto mong pizza, bilang kita?
Yeah.
Dito ka lang?
Okay.
Anong gusto mo?
It's called beef.
Beef. Gusto mo ng
or chicken flavor.
Yung maanghang?
No, that's the new kind of pizza. Like there's pepperoni and then there's chicken.
Okay. So ako na lang magpipik ng toppings. Huwag kang aalis dito, ha?
Okay, Kuya.
Bibigyan kita.
Okay, Kuya. Thank you.
Sige, linisan mo para katuloy naglilinis ng sapatos. Ano ba tawag doon?
Someone gave me this one, Kuya.
Ano yan?
You want it, Kuya? Look at that.
Salamat, ikaw talaga. Napakabait mo. Sige, antayin mo ako dito. Huwag kang aalis, ha? Bigyan kita ng pagkain. Bilan natin siya ng pagkain. Nakawawa naman talaga to si Bernard, oh. Mga kababayan ko, binalikan natin si Bernard at andito nga po siya sa kalye. Nandoon naglilinis ng kanyang sapatos. At ayun yung trolley niya. So binalikan natin para kamustahin at pakainin dahil nagugutom na raw siya. Kaya so eto, binilang ko siya ng pizza, Canadian pizza. Eto, lapitan natin siya. Busy siya sa kanyang paglilinis ng kanyang mga gamit. At kamustahin natin siya ngayon. There you go, Bernard.
Thank you, Kuya.
Ang tagal niya magluto.
Okay.
So, tubig.
Saan ka papunta, Kuya?
Gala-gala lang.
Oh.
Nakita kita
Oh.
Ikaw si Bernard na naman yun.
Yeah, I saw some cans like just $3 worth and I slept in a like park because I'm not allowed at the DI. And
So, kamusta nga pala? Sabi mo sa akin nung nakaraan hindi ka na ina-allow sa DI. Ano ngayon? Na-allow ka na? Kapasok ka na?
It should be like 2 more days. And
2 more days?
And for sure, yeah. It's too hard to sleep outside. It's too
I know.
cold.
So, ngayon magtataglamig na pati. So, kailangan makabalik ka ulit doon. Pero nagpunta ka na ulit doon.
Yeah.
Anong sabi sa'yo?
Yeah, like in more like 1 more week, and that was like 4 days ago. So,
Okay naman. So,
yeah.
wala namang problema sa'yo.
I was having a fever and flu
Oh.
these past days, but now I'm getting better.
Gusto mo bang bilang itang gamot?
No, I'm okay, kuya.
Okay ka na?
Mhm.
So sinong ano uminom ka ng gamot mo?
No, like sometimes you just let it like get healed and then yeah, gumagaling naman siya.
Okay naman.
Yeah, it's just the like the weather, like I guess.
Oh, kain ka muna, tol.
Yeah.
Kain ka muna. Mamaya ka na mag-ano. Kain ka muna para at maibsan yung gutom mo.
Ikaw, kuya.
Okay lang, kumain na ako. Para sa talaga yan. Oh, ayan, chicken tsaka ano.
Thank you,
So,
kuya.
no problem. At habang mainit pa, so
Thank you, kuya. You feel like an angel.
ha? Sabi ko naman sa'yo kapag nandito ako makikita kita eh. Lagi itong bibigyan pagkain. Ikaw lang kasi
It's like I've been touched by an angel.
ha? At least ikaw eh hindi ka tulad ng ibang homeless dyan na pinababayaan na talaga sarili o ikaw. At least kahit pa paano nililinisan mo yung sarili mo.
Oh,
Wala bang ma-showeran dito? Eh, gusto mo mag-shower?
wala.
Wala?
It's okay.
Okay ka lang? Kasi kung gusto mo mag-shower, samahan kita doon, mag-shower ka.
I don't wanna go to Alpha House. It's too, I don't know.
Alpha House, saan yun?
It's kinda like homeless shelter in Victoria Park.
Pwede ka mag-ano doon, pwede ka maligo.
Yeah.
At least nakakaligo ka doon.
Yeah.
Pero may bayad.
No, libre naman siya.
Okay. So saan ka naglalaban yan?
No, like mostly I just get clothes and just want to wear it.
Throw mo na? Okay.
Yeah.
At least di ka na maglalaba, di ba? Libre naman ng mga ano dito eh. Libre naman yung mga damit eh, kahit saan namang ano, di ba? Tsaka libre naman lahat eh. Kaya
Yeah.
walang problema.
Oh, here in Calgary, but in Winnipeg where I came from,
Oh.
they probably don't have a homeless shelter.
Walang ano doon?
Or I'm not sure because when I was there I was working and it's just here I don't wanna put work in like construction. It's kind of hard. Like I'd rather go to school and then take a course and get a better job.
Sa'yo ba sabon yun?
Yeah.
Okay. So kain ka lang, kain ka lang.
Yeah. Sure. Ikaw, kuya.
Sige lang, sige lang. Tapos na ako kumain, nag-almusal na ako bago ako umalis eh. So nakita nga kita kaya sabi ko baka hindi pa kumain si Bernard, kamustahin ko muna siya.
Lakad-lakad tayo, kuya.
Saan mo gusto?
Papuntang downtown, you want?
O sige, kain ka muna.
Okay.
Kain ka muna. Para at least eh.
I look fresh and better.
So saan mo na naman ito nadalhin trolley mo?
Oh, I just took the cart from there
Okay.
and then I'm kind of planning to pick up some bottles
Oh.
I can have. But it's getting like what do you call that, kuya? Like it's getting like like madalas na ako namimikap ng can.
Tapos
It's kind of bad image though, but it's
hindi
it's a
naman
decent, but
Oo.
like I'm not planning to be.
may lighter ka daw?
Yeah. But it's kind of like not decent though. Thank you. Welcome.
So bakit may ano ba, may sumisita ba sa'yo or
So, like parang nakakahiya.
ba't ka naman mahihiya? At least yun eh, yung bote dito eh nabibinta. At least kahit pa paano, meron kang pang kape-kape or kung gusto mong bumili, di ba?
But I'm not like that kind of person like will do it day by day and then just like pieces by pieces, not like that. Like, if it's gonna be like every day, it's gonna be like I don't know, like taking it from someone's house and then like probably 5 big garbage bags. And then at least worth $70. Things like that.
Okay.
Not like
Hindi ka tulad ng iba, na inaaraw-araw nila.
Yeah, and then like mostly those garbage bin on the sidewalk. There's like a dog poops in there. Ew. It's like nakakadiri.
Oo. Sabagay, wag mo na lang wag mo na lang pag may nakita ka, di lagay mo. Pag wala, di wala, di ba? Ganun lang 'yun.
Like this one.
Yan. Mga ganyan. So kanina ka pa ba dito?
Yeah, like 30 minutes ago. May nagbigay sa akin ng shabu eh. And then,
Ano?
Shabu.
Oh.
But I don't know, I kinda maybe felt it a little bit and I kinda lost it somewhere here.
Oh.
That's why you see me looking on the ground.
Oh,
But at least it's not
Baka nahulog mo kung saan.
but at least it's not what do you call that? Crack cocaine
Oh.
or bato.
Kung maaari, iwasan mo na yan kasi hindi naman pwedeng pang mo yan, kaso wala tayong magagawa. Yan ang mo eh. Nasa kalye ka eh. Pero at least kaya mong iwasan mo. Kain ka muna.
I've been sleeping every night now.
Sarap.
Thank you.
Tubig mo. Gusto mo ba ng soft drinks?
Yeah,
Ha?
maybe later a bit.
Sige, mamaya.
Sayang naman yung... And then meron akong binigay sa kanya eh.
Na,
I don't know, like I was looking for something and then he gave me that shabu.
anong lahi?
Puti.
Puti? Baka naman kunwari lang binigay sa'yo tapos binawi ulit sa'yo.
Hindi, like, I'm not sure if... Oh, a brand new bubble pipe.
Bubble pipe. Oh, bago ako dumating, meron ako nakitang nakalatag ka dyan na bubble pipe
Yeah. Meron kasi sa Battle Depot, there's two person like handling those.
Ng bubble pipe.
It's kind of weird eh, like how come it's illegal but they're giving supply for doing the drugs.
Parang narinig ko na yon eh, sila daw mismo ang nagbibigay ng supply ng mga bubble pipe na yan. Narinig ko na yon eh. Kahit dun sa shelter.
But if the police seen you have those,
Anong ginagawa? Kukunin lang.
Yeah, they might take it away and then ask your name and then check if you have a warrant that say you got ticket from a train station for not buying ticket, and then you didn't support, and that will be a warrant, and then to pick you up, put you in jail for like till next day.
Isang araw lang. Paano kung halimbawa matagal nang hindi mo binayaran?
As long as just 250 worth.
But hindi ba tumutubo yon?
No. But if you get caught and caught again,
Akala ko tumutubo yon.
no.
Hindi naman.
It just become warrant, and then sometimes like it's just like hassle, like let's say you have to do something and then suddenly
Yun ang wag kang gagawa ng mga ganun. Wag kang gagawa ng mga ganun kasi sa bagay pag taglamig okay lang sa kulungan. Di ba? Pag taglamig. Saan mo ba nilagay? Baka nailagay mo lang kung saan. Nawawala daw yung sabi niya.
I put it inside the bubble pipe and then I felt drip. But this is not, I'm looking for yung crack, yung gato.
Baka mamaya bubog yung mahanap mo
Because I see some people like when they get acid,
Mamaya bubog yung mahanap mo.
like even though they already smoked it, it's like expecting that. Oh, they're expecting that they will find some. Right. The birthday. And sugar.
Eh nagpapasama siya mga kababayan ko samahan ko raw siya lagyan ulit ng cheese yung pizza dahil gusto niya. So
Look at this, kuya. It's like Cariton.
trolley.
It's like in Philippines, the wood. Like
Oo.
you build this first,
Oo.
but this one is ready made.
Ayan po ang buhay ni Bernard araw-araw dito mga kababayan ko. Yan po siya. Binalikan ko siya para mabigyan ng pagkain. So samahan naman natin kahit papaano sa gusto niya para at least may makausap siya. Dito ka lang ba nagtatambay araw-araw or pa iba-ibang lugar?
Iba-iba.
Iba-iba?
One time I got stuck in Dallas Silver for like
Oo.
1 week. Kuya, ang sarap po. Look, I put some cheese on it.
Okay. Masarap talaga yan. Ano yan? Parmesan. Sige lang. Busog pa ako eh. Hindi ako gaano sa pizza kaya. So kain ka lang dito tayo sa tabi. Kasi parang may crime scenes dito eh. So baka maano tayo sa crime scene. Yan, dyan sa mga dito na tayo.
Tambayan sa mga adik eh.
Ito? Ayun nga, meron pa oh.
But, well, that's a term of it.
Yeah.
But,
Umiinom ka ba ng alak or?
oh no, kuya.
Okay.
I
So,
like, but I learned it from coming up here in Calgary from Winnipeg. First, when I first drink beer in my life here in Calgary, those is called 777. Oh, like I got drunk right away. And then yeah, and then sometimes you don't remember, you just end up in jail, like waking up in jail. It's called blacking out.
Ilang ulit ka na bang nakulong? Di mo na mabilang?
Yeah.
Di mo na mabilang?
Just for the shoplifting charges though.
Oh. Yeah. Nag-shoplifter ka? Saan ka nag-shoplifter?
Like the bay before Walmart, but now I don't do it now.
Salamat naman. Huwag mo nang gawin yun.
Like I did maybe like 30 charges of those.
Oh?
Just or maybe 20 just for...
Ilan naman yung ilan naman yung halimbawa yung item na halaga?
Oh, I just took like one item, and then that's let's say equivalent to a theft under 5,000. Sure.
Oh?
Oo.
Isang item?
Yeah, just
tapos
one item. Like worth
ipipresyo niya na
under 5,000.
Oh. Halimbawa yung nakuha mo $3 lang, ano na agad yun?
Oh.
Ano ba yan? So, paano kung tatlong item? Laki noon.
No,
para ka na, basta equivalent lang ng ano.
Pag lumagpas, ay
ilan buwan yun? Kulong?
just like
2 months, 1 month.
So like it's not buying no ticket, like you didn't pay for a bus train ticket, 250. So it's like really charged. And well, like so far the longest I've been in jail, like to clear all those charges, like I don't know.
May
like,
pag
like 1 month.
kamusta naman yung kulungan dito? Eh, parang sa atin or
I don't know. That's my first time I've been in jail here in Calgary.
pero hindi naman sama-sama or sama-sama?
Someone room.
Dalawa. So, mga kalibil mo lang yon, hindi naman yung mga kriminal or mga shoplifting lang naman kasama mo or
Iba-iba.
sinasama ka sa kriminal? Hindi naman.
Sinasama because
Mga drug,
like
ano,
mostly I never met someone that has same charges.
pero sama-sama talaga. Kamusta naman yung pagkain doon?
Like mostly there's assault with it. Yeah, it's like
Okay naman.
3 times a day.
Okay naman yung pagkain. Malinis naman yung kulungan. Maganda. Pero sana wag mo nang balikan para at least
yeah.
mas maganda yung nasa labas, di ba? Mas maganda yung nasa labas.
Doon lang naman ako nagkaka-church sa shoplifting. I don't know, I'm just checking out. So, you know, like...
So ban ka na, so ibig sabihin ngayon ban ka na sa mga Walmart or mga supermarket pag pumasok ka. Papantayan ka na talaga nila.
like it says, but I don't really go. Like, you gotta have like really like stable or career that you really earn.
Babantayan ka na nila kapag ka ganun, di ba? So once na
like
once-
pumasok ka, like entering and shit like that.
babantayan ka na nila or kung talagang malaki na yung kasalanan mo, baka palabasin ka na.
Let's say I have a friend and then wants to take that
Sa loob.
that path to the base. I just say, like I just meet you inside on the other way.
Pasok ka.
I'm not allowed.
You're not allowed.
And then naiintindihan naman ng isang friend then yeah.
That's okay.
But I get caught because sometimes the worker is just right there. And then the sweat parcel and then
Sinuot
like
mo?
in front of them and then nakalabas na ako and then like 10 more minutes I'm still standing outside. And then suddenly someone would come up to me. No uniform, just like civilian.
Civilian.
Like
Okay.
and then it's kind of like a floor worker.
Nag-ask sa'yo ng receipt?
Mostly 2 person, either 2 male or 1 female and then like we'll just grab you like you're under arrest for stealing like that. And then I let
Ibinalik mo?
No, like and then they're still gonna like take it back and then charge you.
Okay.
They should just like you know.
Police yun, police.
No, the worker.
The
first,
worker.
yeah. The worker
With police.
will take it. No, maski hindi pa dumating yung police, like the worker will
Kukunin ka na.
take it, yeah.
Hindi ka tatakas o sasabihin na wala ka naman ninakaw, hindi ka nag-arason ng ganon. Pero hindi ka na makarason dahil
the police didn't see the advocate,
dahil nakita ka na nila di ba?
You're like you can just like and then run, but
No.
yeah.
Hindi ka makatakbo dahil inarangan ka na nun
And then trying to arrest me, but actually they're the one who's getting arrested for like
Pero matagal na yon. Huwag mo nang ulitin. Dahil mahirap
Just for fun.
Yeah. Lahat naman
Nagturo sa akin yung babae.
Pilipina?
No,
Puti.
Pana.
Used
to be like crack cocaine dealer, like pato. And then siguro binabayad niya yung yung pambenta niya
sa drugs.
Sa it's called merchandise, like clothes, like that.
Pinabayad niya sa
Tapos smoker pa. Hindi na siya kikita. So nag-change siya sa bato to shabu. Because it's more cheaper, shabu. And then and then so it happened. And then nakilala ko sa I don't know, like at the DI, and then And then yung buhok niya naka-braided pa, like cornrows.
Bata pa, bata.
Yeah, and then, I don't know, and I don't know, I asked for number.
O,
So,
asa na siya ngayon?
I don't know. And then, like three of them is like mom and they're like two sisters, then the other one is younger. And then they thought like I'm there to check it out the younger girl. And then I said, I like your sister, and if I can get her number.
Oh.
So that girl like talked to that and then gave me the number, and a few days I called, and then
Dito kasi sa Canada, kahit gumamit ka yan dito sa gilid-gilid, huwag ka lang makita ng pulis, walang problema. Sa Pilipinas ganyan, baka barilin na tayo, barilin ka na yan. Yan pala yung down. O tinan mo, nawala na yung ano mo, nawala na yung daldal mo. Nag-iisip ka na. Tumama na ba?
no, it's like
Bernard. Inom ka ng Pepsi. Tago mo na yan, baka may dumaang pulis. Tago mo sa ano mo. Tago mo sa belt bag mo.
oh, a lighter, yeah.
Meron din siya.
You have your own light. I can give you one.
Yan po mga adik dito, mga kababayan ko. Talagang harap-harapan sila. Harap-harapan silang titira.
Here, you can have that. Unfortunately. Kuya, I know this person for a while now, but
Kaibigan mo?
not really friends, because sometimes it takes time to come up with the drugs and to smoke it.
Bata pa yan, you know.
Like sometimes this person will like look for it, and then the people is like so many like alibi or It's like that's why they're there for that, and then suddenly it's like, I don't know, it's like acting weird, like shy or whatever, and then sometimes it takes really like long time to just hook it up. Sometimes even you already like give the money or whatever to guys, like still like want you to get like follow them and shit like that. That's kind of weird.
Lagi ko siya nakikita dito, paikot-ikot.
Badly if I start busting like job shit. And then also like as long as that's meant for selling it. So it's like that's true, like you don't smoke your own supply.
Tulog ka na.
No?
Karamihan siguro ng mga addicts dito, mga kilala mo na rin, no?
No?
Mga iba lang.
Just the faces, but mostly every day is like different faces.
Oh, talaga?
It's like,
Pero buti hindi ka naman hinaharas kapag halimbawa ganyan wala kang maibigay na lighter.
hindi
Alis lang sila kusa.
Oh, yeah. Siyempre, well, you can come up with, I don't know. You can tell for someone. I don't even have any side or down, but it's a good deal. Si Kuya, it has a phone, and then if we just have like down or sides, we'll take it. Just small piece. It's called merchandise.
Parang ano na yun, tinan mo maglakad, diretso lang siya maglakad yun. Hop. Hop. Hop, balik ulit sa'yo.
Huwag mo pahud.
Ano sabi?
Almost done or
Binibigay sa'yo?
almost empty.
Kala ko meron ka, ba't di mo binigyan?
Oh, like mine is all about environment. It's almost empty. They just copy my
Nag-overnight. Kala ko meron ka dapat binigay mo sa kanya yan. O paano yan Bernard? Uwi na ulit ako. Hiwalay na ulit tayo.
Okay, Kuya.
Salamat sa mga
No, thank you, Kuya.
pag-interview ko sa iyo sa mga walang kabuluhang interview ko sa iyo. Pasensya na, marami akong tanong about sa mga drugs. So ano, saan ka na ngayon naman?
Dito lang sa Pali eh.
Dito ka na lang naman. Basta yung mga billing ko sa iyo, go straight na. Kung pwede iwasan mo na. Kasi lalo ka lang talagang malululong dyan. Pero nasa sayo naman yun. Kasi buhay mo yan, di ba? Pero para sa akin lang naman, bilang isang kapatid o kaibigan,
Yeah, that's true.
Di ba? Kung kaya mong
body
iwasan,
aching and shit.
kung kaya mong iwasan, iwasan mo. Habang, ilang taon ka na ba?
Born 83.
1983. So, 31 or...
And then ikaw, ano ka eh, 82 ka eh, di ba kuya?
Oh, 31 or ilang taon na?
I don't know,
Hindi
basta
ako-
1983.
Hindi ako good sa math eh. Mamaya titingnan ko kung...
And then, kung 82 ka, you're 1 year older than me.
kaya,
And then,
kaya nga,
it's the same,
kaya nga sabi ko sa'yo, huwag mong masamain yung mga payo ko sa'yo. Kasi kapwa kitang Pilipino, ayaw ko naman makikita ka na siyempre si Bernard nandyan na, ayan siya ngayon, ganyan, di ba? So hanggat kaya mo, kakayanin mo yan. Basta, nagsisimba ka ba?
No.
Bakit?
But it's a nice
Last time na
place.
last time na mamit kita, may cross ka pang suot-suot eh.
Oh. Well,
Diba?
I came here because I have one auntie. And then this my auntie like she kinda likes like don't mind like a bunch of people around. It's like
Oh.
gathering and shit. So that's can
So at least
Good,
wag mong pabayaan sarili mo. Yun lang. Basta pag nandito ako, makita kita kung ano yung makakaya ko. Makainin ka, may pera ako, bigyan kita. Basta wag mo lang the drugs, okay? Ganun lang. Basta ingat ka lang lagi.
real food, yeah.
Oh, real food. Ingat ka lang lagi.
But
Ingat.
you know, kuya,
Ano?
I can also ask someone to buy me something to eat.
Oh?
Yeah,
Bibigyan ka naman.
yeah.
Oo.
It just effort.
Oo. Ikaw lang
But but not making like bullshit story like let's say you're just new in town.
Oo.
Like I don't know those things. Just straight up like
Oh, yung kung
ma'am,
nagugutom ka ma, pwede
like,
pahinging pagkain.
Yeah, like,
Ganun lang.
but in English kuya.
Oo, siyempre.
Because otherwise
Ay, hindi maintindihan lalo
like
kung...
palimos and shit.
Diba? Basta at least wag kang magnanakaw. Yun yung mga billing ko sa'yo. Wag kang magnanakaw na. At least naranasan mo na, diba? Wag ka nang maganon. Kung nagugutom ka at kung halimbawa alam mong magbibigay siya ng pagkain, wag kang mahiya. Sabi mo nga, diba? Wag kang mahiya. Sa nice way, diba? Wag ka na magdrama, ganito, ganyan. Alam naman nila, makikita naman nila sa itsura mo. At least, panatiliin mo lang na maging behave. Maging maka-Pilipino style. Ganun lang.
And can be a better person.
Ganun lang yun. Huwag kang dahil ganyan ka na nga tapos itataon mo pa yung sarili mo, huwag yung ganun. Basta ano ka lang, manatili ka lang na maging behave, manatili ka lang na maging magalang, mga ganun lang. Basta yung mga payo ko sa'yo, balang araw malay mo hipuin ni Lord yung iyong ulo at diba? Basta Bernard, ingat ka lang lagi. Nandito ako lagi para sa'yo. Ha? Hiwalay na tayo ngayon.
Okay, thank you.
Ingat ka. Yung pizza na binili ko sa'yo, kainin mo ulit mamaya.
Yeah.
Tapos yung drinks mo, bahala ka na. Saan ba yun?
Tulungan. DI.
DI, pag nasa DI ka na, paano tayo magkikita? Minsan,
just go inside and then you'll see me. Yeah.
pwede ako pumasok doon? Ano sasabihin ko?
But once you got in there and then you don't have a file yet, they're gonna take a picture of you and your real name, and then that means you can't be
Allowed na.
applying as a worker there like anymore, like as a
So,
staff.
hindi ba kita pwedeng antayin sa labas or ipatawag? Kasi may kakilala naman ako doon eh. Kilala ka niya eh.
Pwede
Negro,
pa ganun.
yung negro doon na mabait din, lagi mo rin. Lagi ka niya nakikita.
Pwede pa ganun. As long don't turn into a client.
Okay.
Client is like a custody.
Okay. So, pag naandoon ka na, ilang week bago ka makandoon na? Para at least didirekta na ako doon.
Like 3 more days.
3 more days.
Yeah.
So, pag naandoon ka na, hindi ka na lalabas or
Yeah.
lalabas ka pa rin?
Hindi na, it's too cold and
Okay. At least pagka nandun yung kaibigan ko na nagbabantay doon, patawag na lang kita, antayin kita sa labas. Kung may pagkain ako, bibigyan kita. Kung may pera ako, papaabot ko sa'yo, ha? Ganun na lang. Di ba? Basta pag...
Ay kuya, mas maganda yung straight up yung magkita.
Hindi ba pwedeng kung halimbawa nandoon ka sa loob, patawag ko so pakiabot naman ito kay Bernard, hindi?
No.
Wag yun?
Maski, just to see you, kuya.
Okay. So at least, pag halimbawa nandoon ka na sa loob, papatawag na lang kita, tapos kita na lang tayo sa gate, gano'n. Di ba? Sa gate, pag may aabutan na lang kita, ha? Para at least meron kang pang kain-kain, no? Hindi naman pagkain doon lagi-lagi, ganun-ganon, di ba? Hindi naman masasarap, di ba? Basta nandito lang ako para sa iyo. Basta yung mga ko sa iyo, mga payo ko, pakinggan mo naman.
Yeah, I will, kuya.
Bilang isang panganay na kapatid. Ha?
Yeah.
Ha?
Yeah.
Sige. Ingat ka lagi, ha?
Okay,
Bye-bye.
kuya.
Bye-bye.
Love you.
Bye-bye. Love you too. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Mahal, kuya.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, ha?
Okay, kuya.
Ingat.
Okay, see
Ingat.
you later, kuya.
Sige. Basta, ha? Lagi lang tumawag sa taas.
Yeah.
Ha? Sige, bye-bye. Yung gamit mo, baka makalimutan mo. Lagay mo dyan sa lagay mo. Ha? Ingat, bye-bye.
Okay,